Oh, let's write a song with my sister. Give me a bass.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I'm really loving the acapella EDM.
Yeah.
Now give me drums.
Dum, ch, dum, dum, chi, dum.
Now give me a synth part.
Wow, 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 wow.
So what are we writing about?
I'm thinking anime fight scene song.
You've been thinking about this one.
You live your life to such an extreme level that the only way to figure out what you've been up to is by reading your autopsy.
I could see that being an anime fight song.
If you play it safe and lose my plot, please read it on my autopsy.